Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Mody.
Aliya, in the Bay Area, there are so many beautiful spots to live in. And in San Jose is supposed to be one of the largest cities in the United States. And there's so many little pockets that are super desirable. And Communication Hills happens to be one of them. What do you think about this property located in Communication Hills?
Absolutely, Eddie. Communications Hills has it all. There are walking trails. It's a beautiful scenic community. And this particular property is gorgeous. 3 bedrooms, potentially a 4th bedroom, nicely updated, 2.5 bathrooms, and northeast facing. So you really have to come take a tour with us.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 435 Casselino Drive, a beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, townhouse-style condo in the highly sought-after Communication Hills neighborhood in San Jose. Spanning 1,750 square feet of living space, this home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. The open-concept floor plan features spacious living and dining areas, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, highlighting the modern finishes and high ceilings throughout. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with sleek countertops, ample cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, the well-appointed primary suite includes a luxurious ensuite bathroom, complete with a soaking tub, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. Two additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family, guests, or a home office. A second full bath serves these bedrooms, while a convenient half bath is located on the main level. This home also features a private patio space, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing after a long day. Additional amenities include a bonus room that can easily be made into a bedroom for multi-generational living, a laundry room, plenty of storage, and a spacious garage with epoxy flooring. Located near shopping, dining, and major commuter routes, this home offers both convenience and comfort in the heart of San Jose. You don't want to miss this chance to own an exceptional home in Communication Hills. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property. It's a great opportunity for you guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.